spaghetti. Boys, gusto nyo ng spaghetti?
Are you competing with me?
Kaya natin.
Bring it on.
My spaghetti, a sauce made with freshly picked tomatoes from the high mountains of Italy. What about yours?
My spaghetti has banana ketchup with antioxidant, antihistamine, anti-inflammatory, antibiotics, with glutathione, simmering extract, with glucobiloban. But wait, there's more. Chicken salsa, made with bouncy fresh spring chicken deep fried in olive oil.
Is all that you have? Chicken lollipops. Like what the heck? I have some dessert that I concocted.
Concocted?
Oh yes, it's coconut cream with glutinous rice balls and fresh ripe jackfruit.
Ito sira, hindi na tabi bilon to, no? Napakaisab, mahal na sa pabasa. Like, ew, so jolog.
How dare you?
How dare you dare me like a dare me?
Not there, I'm here, duh.
Nagbubukan mo kayo, nag-aaway na naman kayo.
Hindi nagkukulitan lang kayo naman, oh. Cute mo.
Tayo tayo, tayo tayo.